acoustics is obviously no doubt, it is very, very important because it's the whole act of education and learning is observing, listening, and acoustics therefore is important to filter out what you do not want, what we call as noise, and to focus on what we call as education. So it is definitely something that we can't do away with, we can't think about from the beginning of design. Acoustics is also one thing which can bring a little life. Nowadays, that the newer acoustic materials that are coming up are also aesthetically pleasing. They also help us define or design a space and make it more aesthetically, vibrant. So first of all, congratulations. You've captured a good and a tough market. It is because of the product and you deliver what you say. So that's why we trust in Ecophon. Quality of the product and the NRC that you promise is good. They are easier to install than other materials. That's where I think the value with the company is.